Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. Out topic today is laughter. Laughter, it's contagious, it's universal, and it feels good. But did you know that laughter is also incredibly good for you? It's true. Laughter isn't just a fleeting moment of joy, it's a complex physiological process with a wide range of health benefits. When we laugh, our brains release endorphins. Endorphins are those feel-good chemicals that act as natural pain relievers and mood boosters. They create a sense of well-being and can even help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. But the science of laughter goes beyond just endorphins. Laughter also provides a mini workout for your diaphragm, abdominal muscles, and even your heart and lungs. It's like a little aerobic exercise session hidden within a moment of pure joy. And who wouldn't want that? So the next time you find yourself chuckling at a funny meme or sharing a joke with a friend, remember this: you're not just having a good time, you're actively improving your health. Laughter is a powerful tool, and the best part is, it's free and readily available to everyone. Let's face it, life can be stressful. Work deadlines, bills, traffic, the list goes on. But before you reach for that stress ball, consider this. Laughter might be the stress reliever you've been searching for. Laughter acts as a powerful antidote. Studies show even a few minutes of laughter can lower stress hormone levels. This leads to relaxation and calm, helping you cope better. Remember, laughter is like a mental massage for your brain. And the best part is, it's a completely free way to de-stress. We've explored the science behind laughter and its incredible ability to combat stress. But the benefits of laughter extend far beyond our mental state. They have a profound impact on our physical health as well. One of the most significant physical benefits of laughter is its positive effect on our cardiovascular system. When we laugh, our heart rate and blood flow increase, similar to a mild workout. This increased circulation helps to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout our bodies, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Laughter has also been linked to a strengthened immune system. Studies have shown that laughter can increase the production of antibodies and immune cells, which help our bodies fight off infections and diseases. This boost to our immune system can be particularly beneficial during cold and flu season, when our bodies are more vulnerable. So, while we may not typically think of laughter as a form of exercise or medicine, its impact on our physical health is undeniable. By incorporating more laughter into our lives, we can strengthen our hearts, boost our immune systems, and improve our overall well-being. Laughter, a dose of happiness. Laughter makes us feel good. It boosts our mood and releases endorphins. These endorphins alleviate anxiety and depression. Laughter helps us cope with difficult emotions. It shifts our perspective on challenges. So, watch a funny movie or spend time with friends. Laughter is a mental reset button, finding joy in challenges. Section 5. Laughter in Daily Life. Finding reasons to chuckle. We've explored the numerous health benefits of laughter, from stress reduction and improved cardiovascular health to a boosted immune system and increased happiness. But how do we incorporate more laughter into our daily lives? The good news is, finding reasons to chuckle is easier than you might think. Start by surrounding yourself with humor. Watch funny movies and TV shows, listen to comedy podcasts, read humorous books, or follow funny people on social media. Seek out sources of laughter that resonate with you and make it a habit to enjoy them regularly. Don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. We all make mistakes, and sometimes the best way to deal with them is to simply laugh it off. Embrace your imperfections and find humor in the everyday mishaps that make life interesting. Remember, laughter is contagious. So by sharing a laugh with others, you're not only brightening your own day, but also spreading joy to those around you. Section 6. Embrace the power of laughter, your path to a healthier, happier you. Laughter is a gift, a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries and brings people together. It's a powerful tool for improving our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By incorporating more laughter into our lives, we can unlock a world of benefits and experience the transformative power of joy. So embrace the power of laughter. Make it a priority to find reasons to chuckle every day. Surround yourself with humor. Spend time with loved ones who make you laugh, and don't be afraid to let your inner child out to play. Remember, laughter is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding joy in the everyday moments and embracing the lighter side of life. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.